And also next paragraph, it goes like this. For the moment, thanks to your teacher and your spiritual companions, you might have a superficial feeling for the Dharma, but bearing in mind what a short time anyone presents, sometimes last. Free yourself with the Dharma while you can, and resolve to practice as long as you live. And it is the truth. Sometimes your good friend, and you listen to the very correctly or faithfully to your own individual spiritual friend, teacher, and companions. Maybe it's like you have some sufficient, like superficial kind of maybe not deeply, not honestly, but a little bit feeling for the Dharma, or I want to practice Dharma. But bearing in the mind what are the short time animals. And also this is like a meaning, is like a kind of the ordinary mind. The perceptions is not forever. And like a kind of very deceptive, easily dissipate, and settlement last, and free yourself with Dharma while you can. And really in this perspective, when you have this enthusiastic, like to practice Dharma, and then it's like to go our like kind of the day and night passing by, and with and practicing the Dharma. And it's a really completely involvement of the Dharma activities, compassion, kindness, and so on. Resolved to the practice as long as you lives. And in this case, is your life task is like become more principle, it is the Dharma. Then in your life is to practice as long as yourself. And it's like a kind of enthusiastic, and you spend your life completely with the Dharma. And that is the most important. And if you reflect on the numerous examples given here, you will have to doubt that nothing from the highest state of existence down to the lower hells has even a scrap of permanence or the stabilities. There's nothing kind of smallest existence escaped from the impermanent. And everything is subject to the change. Everything's waxy and wanes. And sometimes it's like a washing, sometimes it's wounds. And it's like going up, down, and increase and decrease. Maybe more this one, increase and decrease. This is nature is like this. And in this perspective, now we say, I'm obtained the human existence, wonderful situation. But when I look the different example of the impermanent, I understand I am also is impermanent. One day I'm disappeared. Until they disappeared for me, I need to do some accomplishment of Dharma. Really, it's like I want to practice Dharma. And this kind of determined commitment, ideas, and pharmacist we needed. Okay, maybe we can to stop there. Sonam doya tamche zibanya, tonini perdana pamji te shigan zon. Sabun solin drogan droga sho shonche sancho rumbo che ma shibana shijer shibana. Pewa